Today we are delving into a historic moment on the global stage. The United States and Ukraine have signed a landmark 10-year defense agreement aimed at countering Russian aggressions. What are the key provisions and objectives of the groundbreaking agreement? Let's break it down. The agreement includes extensively military aid, joint training exercises, and the development of advanced defense systems. Its primary objective is to enhance Ukraine's defense capabilities and ensure long-term regional security. This agreement has significant implications for regional security in Eastern Europe and NATO's eastern flank. It strengthens NATO's defensive posture and reassures Eastern European allies of the US commitment to their security. This agreement solidifies a crucial alliance and serves as a deterrent against potential Russian advance in the region. The agreement specifically targets threats posed by Russia, including the ongoing conflicts in eastern Ukraine and the illegal annexation of Crimea. These actions have destabilized the regional and violated international law. Ukraine has been at the forefront of resisting Russian expansionism, and this defense pact aims to bolster its effect. Understanding the historical context is crucial. Russia's annexation of Crimea in 2014 and the sustained conflict in eastern Ukraine have marked a period of heightened tensions and conflict. The situation in Ukraine is flashpoint in broader Russian-Western relation, making this agreement particularly significant. Now, how does this agreement affect US-Russia relationship? Predictably, it has strained diplomats with Russian condemning the pact as a threat to its security. For the US, it's a reaffirming of support for Ukraine's sovereignty and a clear message to Moscow regarding its aggressive policies. Globally, this agreement shifts security dynamics, particularly with NATO. It underscored the alliance commitment to collective defense and could prompt similar pacts among other nations facing similar threats. This agreement could lead to a new era of defense cooperation and a strategic alliance, reshaping the global security landscape. The pact also impacts the defense industries in both countries, opening avenue for technological and advancement and collaborative projects. We anticipate significant development in defense technology, which will not only strengthen our military capabilities, but also drive innovation in the sector. As the US and Ukraine embark on this historic 10-year defense journey, the world watches closely. Will it lead to the greater stability or escalate tensions? Only time will tell.